Hello everybody, Stephen Jondrew here from GonnaGeek.com, back with another unboxing. This time we're unboxing this. This is the Logitech Harmony Smart Control. Now this here is interesting to me because I have seen this in Canada, where I am, listed as exclusively at Best Buy. Now from what I can tell, I'm just going to get ahead of myself, flip over. The remote here looks to be very similar to the Companion, however, missing a few buttons. I'll show those in a minute. It was on sale, so it saved me some money. I'm looking to use this for my den where I don't need a whole bunch of functionality on the remote. The primary use is going to be so that I can hook it up and smart control, as well as just simple functions, a little bit better blast radius than the remote that comes with the cable. So let's see what is inside of this here. If we look here, the app does look a little bit different than the current version, so I'm guessing that's just old imagery, or maybe it's just something I've never seen before. On the side, you have the contents. The contents says what's included in the box is the Harmony Hub, the remote control with battery, the IR mini blaster, a USB cable, as well as the AC adapter and user documentation. On the back, you have a whole bunch of information about the app and the remote and the hub. And then on the other side, you have some information about the Harmony. And then on the top, there's nothing. So let's just open this up as I knock the camera and let's see what's inside. Start by opening this here and slicing down here, or just a slice, dice. Now let's open this up if I can be successful. Come on. Come on. I know that's scary to be shaking all that, isn't it? All right. So inside, very similar to the Companion layout. So if you've seen the Companion unboxing, we have the hub up top. We also have user documentation. Then underneath is the actual remote. So you will see here that on this remote here, it varies from the Companion. And I'll just I have the Companion nearby. I'll just grab it so that we can compare side by side. So we have the Companion, or the whatever this is, the Harmony Smart Control in my left hand, and then in my right you can see it's quite a bit larger compared. So this is the Companion itself, but it's missing these buttons on this Smart Control, whatever that is. And then if we look at sort of the buttons in comparison, it is quite a bit smaller, but that's okay. I'm okay with that in the den. And it actually fits a little bit better in one hand if I need to push buttons here and down than compared to the Companion, where I've got to go all the way up here. The other comparison that I'll just grab right now is the actual hub itself. So if we take a look here, I'll use the same hand so that it's the same comparison. If we take a look here at the one with the Smart Control, it says Harmony. But if we look at the one that comes with the Companion, it says Logitech. Now, comparing size-wise, they do seem to be the same. We've got same inputs on the back, so I believe they're the same, just branded a little bit different. On the top, again, this is in my right hand is the one that came with the Companion, and the one with the Smart Control is in my left. But we'll just put that away and continue with the actual unboxing. If I put the remote to the side, I believe under here is going to be the contents. Let's see, pull that off. Yes. So we've got the AC adapter there, which has a micro USB connection, micro USB cable, as well as the mini blaster. So there you go. That is the unboxing of the Logitech Harmony Smart Control. Very, very similar to the Harmony Companion, but just a little bit smaller. And I'm guessing a little bit older product, since this says Logitech, or says Harmony instead of Logitech. And I believe the one with the Companion is newer. So there you go. If you got any questions, let me know. I'm going to get this hooked up, and then I'll be able to answer any questions about how it might vary from the Companion. Thanks for checking out another video. And if you like this, do please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/GonnaGeekGear. Bye.